Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where the startup time is extremely slow on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to turn on fast startup. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Okay, this will open the power options window. Now go to change plan settings corresponding to go to choose what the power buttons do on the list on the left hand side. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable and make sure that turn on fast startup is checked. Okay, it should be checked and then click on save changes. The next one is to buy a new SSD. I'm giving you real working solutions. I mean, others will keep giving non-working solutions, but I will give you solutions that really work. So if you're using an HDD drive, your system will actually be slow at startup. You buying a new SSD will make it very, very fast. Go to amazon.com or any website of your choice, Best Buy or anything, and just search for an SSD, internal one, buy it and get it installed on your system. Okay, they are not very expensive these days. And the next solution will be to adjust the system for best performance. Search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust appearance performance of Windows. Select the option to adjust for best performance, click on apply and then on OK. And the last solution is to disable startup items. How would you do that? Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Expand the list on the left hand side and then select this by status so that the enabled ones are on the top. And thus right click and disable all startup items which are absolutely unnecessary, and even those which are not exactly necessary at that point of time for the during the startup itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.